Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Been a little bit quiet on the golf project because we had a slight, let's say, horrible discovery. The balance shaft on the engine was snapped. Yes, I should have checked it months and months and months ago, but I didn't. I just crossed my fingers and hoped for the best. So I have another engine now, which needs stripping. I've taken the head off already to check everything. It's got a melted piston, but the block should be usable, whereas my other block wasn't. So this is going to be stripped and sorted out, but that's another video. That's going to be another video. For now, the main reason for this video is got a delivery. So let me spin the camera back around again. Come on. There we go. So today we got the JRZ delivery, which is mega. So JRZ came by, when was it? A month? No, 2 months ago I think they came by, I can't remember. And we measured up all the car, we checked everything to see, check all the measurements to make sure that we was going to be spot on with the dampers like the first time round. I wanted JRZ to come by and help me with that because they are the experts. So Eric and David came by and we did that. So these are a custom build, partly based off of the Golf, partly based off of TT Cup car, but then the measurements changed and everything else. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, they come very well packaged. So what I'm probably going to do is just pause the video for a second while I get these straps off, and then we'll continue. So, main box is off. This is what you expect to see when you order yourself a JRZ suspension. 30 years JRZ as well. Guys have been smashing the motorsport stuff for a while now. So, I'll take this top cover off. So we've got our paperwork that comes with your maintenance adjustments. It runs through, tells you what maintenance schedules you need to run with the suspension and everything else. Installation instructions. So have everything there, all your adjustment stuff, all the torque settings for bolts, generic torque settings for the bolts. So this is for you to fill in. You've got your for ride heights, yeah, the coach heights. So yeah, give you all of the information that you need included in the kit, which is mega because there's a lot of things that most people don't see as self-explanatory. Obviously we've been using JRZ for a while now, so it kind of is like fairly straightforward. Even the small things about disconnecting the reservoirs and reconnecting, telling you exactly what to do, how to fill it, the special tools that you need to fill the gas with a nitrogen bottle, yeah, all kinds of stuff. Your rebound adjustments, gives you a rough idea of the factory settings and everything else. Damper rebound graph. There's a compression graph here as well. Yeah, compression graph as well. So yeah, gives you everything you need to know. Exploded views. Normally, you can get a single approval with suspension that's like this. We always get single approval with JRZ. It never really needs much testing from the TUV, so that's always quite good. They give you the tool to adjust your rebound. It's just to put inside the little hole for the rebound and turn it. Obviously you get your stickers as well. You're going to stick some more on the lift and around the workshop. And you get your assembly mat. To be honest, these are mega. I've got so many of these now. I use them for kneeling down, for when I'm doing alignments. I use them for putting suspension on, when we're stripping it and servicing it and stuff. It's pretty cool. So, all shrink wrapped in. So with the Golf suspension, we've gone with two-way adjustable because I don't need anything too spicy for the car. We don't need to go three-way. The The two-way is more than enough. Let's get these out. So you can see on the reservoirs, got your compression on the top. Lovely billet stuff. And the rear dampers, we've gone for the smaller damper, so 40mm piston. A smaller damper body and a 50mm spring for clearance issues, because the damper will sit really close to the chassis. So we've run the smaller size. So as you can see here, for the rebound adjustment, although it's quite easy to do with your fingers when it's in the car and it's seen some laps and dirt before service, you sometimes get the little tool in there and it's easier to adjust your rebound. But yeah, this is mega. This is really, really mega. I can't wait to get this on the car, to be honest. I was going to wait. I'm going on holiday tomorrow. I was going to wait until I'm back, but maybe I'll change the plan and get it on there sooner rather than later. But we'll see. Let's just prop this up a second and get the front dampers out. So, front dampers. Again, these are obviously all custom length because of the BTCC kit that we're running, so it's a little bit more of a challenge to get the car at the ride height we want for the Nordschleife with the British touring car kit, because the body kit sits super low. Let me get this out. Yeah, the body kit sits super low, so it's a bit of a pain to get it right. So we've had to really mess around with the front dampers, and these are really a one-off, and I can't thank the guys at JRZ enough for sorting this for me, to be honest. So we've got the ground control, sorry, the camera's gone all skew with, ground control top mounts, which are adjustable from the 3 fixing screws. The camber adjustment is from the 3 fixing screws, so that makes life a lot easier. I'm not going to need too much adjustment on the top mounts because obviously all the arms are adjustable on the car, so that makes life easier. But these are really nice bits of kit. JRZ also make these for the Mark 7 Golf and obviously the Mark 6, and they're a mega bit of kit. It really makes life easy adjusting the camber. Unlike the KWs and other brands, they have the top mounts adjustable here, and you have to cut the domes out on the suspension to be able to get to the adjustment screws, or drop the whole damper out, which is a huge pain in the ass, really. So yeah, damper bodies, all anodized black, which is mega. Got my springs on with the right spring rates, so everything should be good to go as soon as it's bolted up. But again, this is all custom droop, custom lengths. We've gone over it together and made sure that it's going to be spot on. I always have second doubts. I always doubt myself when it comes to measuring stuff, so it's good that the guys came and done it twice, basically. So yeah, that's basically the kit, which is going to be a super easy install. It's all pretty much like OEM. This will fit into the OEM, into the TT hubs, no problem. It's the same diameter as the Mark 5, so it all should be a relatively straightforward fit. So I'm going to get on that, maybe even today. Maybe I'll even make a video today of it going in, because I'm excited to get the car sitting and mounted up correctly as it should be. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But for now, just a little unboxing video just to show you how the suspensions come. Next video I will do is fitting the suspension on the car, and it'll probably be fitting the suspension as some B-roll, and then we'll probably do a setup in the same video as well, just so everything is clear cut. You can see how easy it all is going in and stuff. So yeah, super excited, super excited. Now all I need is an engine. So if anyone's got any forged pistons and rods laying around for a 2 litre TFSI Mark 5 engine, then hit me up, because that's going to be the next thing that this needs. Just forged pistons and rods. So, but yeah, thank you for watching.